How to generate product QR labels in HEXACRM. A quick step-by-step guide. Open Settings, then Other Settings. Choose QR Code Settings. On QR Code Configuration, pick a label layout. Here we choose 2x2, 4 labels per page. Scroll to QR Code Field Selection. Tick the fields to show after scanning. Product Code, Name, MRP. Click Save Configuration. The How to Generate QR Codes panel recaps every step. Open the Products module list view. Select the products you want to label. Click Download, then Export QR PDF. Preview your labels on the Print Labels page. Then click Print Labels. Save or print your QR labels as a PDF. That's it, ready to stick on your products. That's the full QR code workflow in HEXACRM, powered by Blaze Hexa.